Oh, wow. What in the world? I can't wrap my brain around this. How? How?
We hiked to a mysterious ancient ruin using our drone and Google Earth. What could this round object be that seems to be hidden in the desert? It can't be natural. It just has to be man-made. It's perfectly round. Is this an ancient watchtower? The satellite images leave us guessing, sparking our curiosity. Now we're packing our gear, eager to embark on this journey to uncover the mystery. Welcome to another ancient journey. We research Google Earth, obscure websites, and fly our drone to find secret, hidden, and unusual ancient ruins. Thank you for subscribing and being a part of our quest for discovery and truth as Tom and I find ourselves in a mesmerizing corner of the desert Southwest, tracing the whispers of a distant past.
Yeah. Looks like passing the camera. But
A little slippery right there.
yeah, no kidding.
Yeah.
Not a great way to go.
Look at that. You can see like a tumbled rocks right there with that one on the end ready to go over.
Yeah.
Ah, look at that crack. It was way down in there.
The air is dry even after a rain. This is a stunning hike along a deep canyon in a warm golden glow from the sun. We're getting closer to our cryptic target, and Tom's drone is soaring above us, scanning the terrain. The canyon's beauty is breathtaking, each step bringing us deeper into this ancient land. The desert flowers always catch your eye, and there are so many cactus varieties in the desert, as well as different varieties of pine to provide some greenery. And I love all the different kinds of lichen. They also provide some color to the desert.
Interesting patch of dirt. And it's got little red and white pieces.
We sometimes run across biological soil crusts, sometimes called cryptobiotic soil. Crypto meaning hidden, while biota means life. These crusts are composed primarily of very small organisms that cannot be seen with the naked eye. Well-developed cryptobiotic soil crust is often much darker than the soil it is on top of, and has a sponge-like look with bumps and small pinnacles. When you see this type of soil, please be mindful to not walk on it because it's important to the ecosystem.
There's twisty trees remind me of Sedona.
Oh, yeah.
Where the vortexes are.
Right.
Oh, look at this. You think that's man-made?
I doubt it.
It's not stacked? Maybe not. Maybe it's random.
Pretty heavy rocks to stack.
Oh, so maybe it's their living room somewhere. I don't know.
We should be almost there. We're getting excited to discover what's hidden.
Hey, Sheree, take a look at this. Here's
Oh, you can go through.
definitely a potential hideout.
Yeah. Wow.
Of course, you can see how the water flows through it
Yeah.
if it rains, but
It's not a permanent solution to hide out.
yeah,
Cool.
interesting.
Yeah, it's interesting how it's formed like that. Look how the anthills pushed up a bunch of white stuff.
Oh, yeah. Looks like a little volcano. Well, maybe I won't step on that one.
Oh, what one?
That one's got a big old crack in it.
Uh-oh.
Well, from what we saw with the drone, it should be right in this area.
We're not seeing it yet.
Lots of possibilities. There's an easy way down right here.
Okay. Yeah, that does look easy. Maybe a little too easy. I'm going for the stretch. This way.
Sheree likes to take the road less traveled.
Oh, this is not stable. Always test it first.
That'll be a fun ride down if you hang on to that.
Yeah. That wasn't so bad. When you took the drone out here, could you tell, like, is there any indicators to try to figure it out?
It was a single big rock on its own.
There's
With-
a big rock out there by itself.
Oh, that's it.
Really?
Right there.
Uh-uh.
Straight through there. Yeah, you can see it right
Perfect.
straight shot sitting on that rock.
Sweet. Let's get down there.
Look at that.
Oh, wow. That's a lot taller than what I expected.
Yeah, check it out.
Is it on top of a rock?
Yeah,
Can you get up there?
I don't know. Oh, look. There's a little window up there.
And there it is. Tom found it. A man-made structure nestled atop that enormous boulder. Is there a way up there? Who were they afraid of? What are they hiding?
What in the world? It just, I can't wrap my brain around this. How? How? How did they get up there?
We'll have to walk around this huge rock to see.
Here's their shelter.
Oh, there's remnants of something here.
Yeah. Has that been here for 1,000 years?
Yeah, I'm not sure if that's a legit wall or just something people were playing around with.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at this side.
Sheer cliff on this side.
Yeah, I can just see the edge of it right there.
Did they climb like Spider-Man or something? Like how did
They must be able to levitate because this thing seems impossible.
Tom, this is crazy. There's no way. Look at this.
I know.
It's sheer cliff.
Yeah.
What?
I know, they were record breaker high jumpers. Look at that.
This is insane. It's like, what?
Yeah, isn't that incredible?
How? How? I need to know.
Every side is like this. Oh my gosh.
So I'm thinking maybe footholds, handholds, and there are some that can be used for that, but then there's nothing in this area. Then there's great ones all the way up from there. So, I mean, maybe they stood on a rock, they had somebody on their shoulders and they could do it maybe, but wow.
You know, maybe they were part of one of those acrobatic circus things where they get like 10 people linked together and they jump on top.
I don't know.
And this is at an angle here too.
Yeah,
like
it's like I'm standing straight.
you like your weight would be pulling you away.
Yeah, back this way. Here's a handhold, but try to pull yourself up with that.
No way.
You can't do it.
Anything on the other side?
No. Like, I mean, there's random places, but nothing to climb.
A few little holes right here. But yeah. Wow. They were some athletes for sure.
Like here. But getting a start, getting your feet up there. Like, they would have to be really strong to pull themselves up, hold themselves with one arm to reach.
Yeah. Some serious upper body strength.
Like, this is
for
like an
sure.
impossibility from terms of my reality. That's all.
And mine too.
Like, I'm open to the other concepts.
Yeah, what do you guys think? How could they possibly get up there?
That looks like that's probably the door. An entrance to it?
Oh yeah.
What was that noise? Did you hear that?
I did. What did it sound like?
As we stand beneath this massive boulder, the scale of it takes our breath away. There's no visible way up, but Tom's drone hovers closer, revealing the ruin in all of its preserved glory. The structure is simple, yet striking. Its roof, made of mud, straw, and stone, still stands strong against the passage of time. Was it a place to store food safely? It's as if this place is frozen in history, a silent guardian of secrets long forgotten. The Navajo built defensive structures known as pueblitos. Some theorize that this was built with defense in mind, perched high and out of reach, a refuge for those who once feared unseen enemies. But who were the Navajo people defending against? The landscape around us tell a story of survival, of watchful eyes scanning the horizon of danger, of a people who carved out safety in the most improbable places. Who were they afraid of?
Take a seat. Oh, it almost sounded hollow.
What do you got in there?
Are you not having a snack?
I'm gonna have some of your chips.
No, you're not. You didn't bring your own chips?
I didn't bring any
Oh,
chips.
man.
How about two?
That sucks for you. You have the jalapeno ones. I don't want the spicy ones. You're going to eat mine.
Sure.
I'm going to have half. That's like a third.
Thank you.
Do you think that they ate down here?
Maybe. I mean, if they had to cook over a fire, you can see lots of evidence right there of a fire.
Mm-hmm.
But nothing recent. It's fresh wood or kindling right there, literally.
The air's so good up here.
Yeah, it is. It feels amazing in the shade. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
This pueblito, a solitary sentinel on its boulder throne, speaks of a time when the Navajo, or perhaps their Puebloan neighbors, sought sanctuary in these cliffs. We discovered that this pueblito dates back to the 1700s. But how did they climb up there? Perhaps there were trees during that time that were close to the boulder that they could climb, or maybe they created a ladder out of natural sources. What do you think? Scholars agree that these structures, with their commanding views of the canyon, were designed for defense, a network of watchtowers linked by sightlines. Whether constructed by Navajos, Puebloans, or a combination of both, most scholars agree that the pueblitos are highly defensive in nature. We stand in awe of what our ancestors were able to accomplish, and we are left with wonder and with more questions than answers. What do you believe this was used for? Why would they build it on top of a boulder that is difficult to climb? As we stand here, the echoes of the past surround us. The beauty of this hike deepened by the knowledge of those who walked this path before us.
I feel rain.
You do already? Oh my gosh.
I can't believe what we just found.
No, that was the most insane ruin we have seen with no way to get to it.
Makes no sense.
Not at all. And we're
Yeah.
being chased out by a thunderstorm again.
Yeah. Gotta keep it real.
Yeah. Well, we hope you're enjoying these videos. Let us know with a thumbs up. And if you're enjoying them, hit that subscribe button.
Thanks for the thumbs up, guys.
And for our next video, you can click right over here.